Hey everybody, so I'm Kaylin. I was in a group with Jacob, Joe, and Josh, and for our final project we decided to look at a turbine and compare to see which created the most energy. So a turbine inside of a pipe with the water hitting it directly, or a turbine at the end of a cliff and the water falls off and then hits the turbine. And our hypothesis was that a closed system, so the turbine inside the pipe with the water hitting it directly, would create more energy than a turbine at the end of a cliff and the water hitting it when it falls off the cliff. And this is how we did it.
For the turbine efficiency test, you're going to need a turbine assembly, which includes a channel and a turbine. You're going to need a tub, dam gates, which we got right there, a level, a tape measure, and a timer. For the first part of the turbine efficiency test, you're going to want to measure your initial head of water inside of the tub. You're going to want to have your turbine assembly assembled on the part that makes it 0 degrees, so flat out. You're going to want to make sure your tub is level. Once you start the test, you're going to open the gate on the inside. Open it fully so that it gets laminar flow. Once you do that, you're going to film the turbine and you're going to time it. At the end, you close the gate on the inside and you measure your final height of water inside the tub. Then the test is complete. For the second part of this lab experiment, you're going to position the turbine assembly on the downspout that is at like approximately 70 degrees. Again, you're going to fill the tub all the way to the top. And once it's filled all the way to the top, take your measurements of the initial height of the water. Once that's all done, you're going to get your timer and your cameraman. The cameraman will be filming the slow motion of the turbine to get the revolutions. Then you need a timer to time how long it takes. And then you'll also have one person, come here, open the dam gate inside of the tub. There you go.
With the absorbed and calculated lab data, the result of the lab's 70-degree slope pipe creates faster turbulence than 0-degree sloped turbine. A sloped turbine has more gravitational force than the other pipe. For the discussion questions, will the 90-degree angled pipe has more rotation than the 70-degree turbine?
One way this turbine system could be used is in dams and underground piping systems. For a dam, pressure is built up towards the bottom of the reserve, and water is released from time to time into a river or stream when the water level gets too high. When that happens, these turbines could use the kinetic and potential energy of the water the dam releases to store the power and help provide energy to a nearby town or facility.